What's up, guys? Gotta be quick about this, but I'm in here just working on the Fiero and decided I wanted to prank my wife. The other day I was in the shower and all of a sudden I thought she was handing me something, but all of a sudden just a bucket of ice water dumped on my head. So it's time to get her back. Little payback? Is that cold?
God.
It stinks. It smells? Well, good thing you're taking a shower, right? I guess now it's on, she said. Even though that was just payback. But I guess that water was kind of stinky too, but just adds to it, I guess. Anyways, back to work. Today, I think our plan is to bench bleed the master cylinder, bleed the brakes, and then I got a different bumper for the front. It needs to be fit on there. It's an aftermarket stock replacement style. So we'll see how that fits on there. This one's all chewed up. You can see right here where my parents' dog chewed it up. And then obviously all the clear coat's toast on it. So we'll be replacing that. I got bored and did a little bit of buffing on it. Or sanding and buffing. You can see this looks way better. So that's what we're gonna do today and see, we'll see how far we get.
We went dumpster diving again, this time for brake parts. Because we like to keep our stuff in the dumpster.
And just start working all the bubbles out of the system.
And you can see the bubbles as he's pushing it.
You just start a little bit at a time. So we're just gonna crack all the bleeder screws open and then let that just gravity feed for a minute. And then we'll start pumping. So here's the bumper, guys. Doesn't look too bad, but we'll see how it looks on the car.
Oh, you're an animal, dude. Can't even be forgiving about an accident that I didn't know I did. I heard something fall.
I know you don't know where your body parts are at. Ugh, there's a dead freaking rat or something there.
I think that's a squirrel, dude.
Might be a squirrel.
See it? Bah! Oh, okay. Look at that, right there. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it's not molded like the rest of this. So like, whoop, all this is nice and molded through, but over there.
The Fiero store used to sell these, but apparently they told me they stopped selling them because they do need a little bit of work. That's what they said, a little bit of work to make them OEM quality. I'm almost thinking it takes a lot of work.
Yeah, no kidding.
Because we got a big old gap there, it looks like.
All right, guys, it's probably, you guys probably aren't gonna hear us. It's super loud, it's hailing like crazy. But Matt decided we're not doing the bumper, right? This one?
Yeah, we're not gonna run that bumper.
So we're taking that back off. We're just gonna fix this with fiberglass. I don't know if we'll do it today, but for sure we're gonna try to finish cut and buffing the car. That way, at least we have it looking nice before we do the actual paint job. So that's what we're gonna do right now.
We got our new wheels, guys. So as you know, the wilwood brakes on the Fiero don't clear the stock or the 15s I had. There are some old school Koenig theories I got back in high school. So bought some 17s. They'll should clear everything. And then I just got some cheapo tires for now. So here's what I got. I got some inky TS5s. I'm pretty pumped to put them on there. I think the black will look good. So I got 17 by 8s and 17 by 9s. So 17 by 8s for the front and 17 by 9s for the rear. And then just the same cheap tire all the way around for now. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, that was sweet already. Well, we're hitting on the coilover right there. You can see that, I think. So, just barely hitting it. I gotta come up with an idea there. Don't really want to remake those mounts, but we have to. But other than that, I put the center caps in the wheels and the whole thing looks sweet. We'll lower the car down and see what it looks like. Looks down. Need to lower the whole car now. But yeah, there they are. They're in a little bit. Fronts. Maybe just a little bit. Yeah. So we could run a spacer in the rear, and a 1/4 inch spacer would clear that coil over and bring it out a little bit. I have a couple ideas. But yeah, I'm stoked to see this thing on the ground finally. The wilwoods look good in there. You can see them. This thing's been stuck on the lift for a few weeks now. Just need to lower this thing down now. Get rid of that big wheel gap. The rears are adjustable. I gotta figure out the fronts. But yeah, that's it, guys. We'll take it out for a spin this weekend.
She's going back up. Stop and cool her down.